iPhone 12 is here. What's poppin' YouTube? Today we have an unboxing of the brand new iPhone 12. This is the 256GB version, the white in color. This is not the Pro model, this is just the standard iPhone 12 version. So this thing's rocking a 6.1 inch screen. It's got the A14 Bionic chip in it. It can shoot Dolby Digital HDR, and it's even got 5G built into it too. So let's crack it open, see what we get inside the box. We do have a few other accessories here we might take a look at as well. So let's see what we get in the box. It is much slimmer than previous models, as you can tell. All right, so let's take a quick look around the box. As mentioned earlier, a much slimmer box than before. This is because there is no power adapter in here. Actually, there is a cable. And on the back of the box here, you can see it just shows you what comes in the actual box here. Nothing too crazy here. Pretty much just a standard kind of tech box, especially Apple-like. So let's open it up, see what we get inside. And while I'm opening it up, if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. I'm constantly putting out new technology videos. And while you're down there, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel and it's great for the YouTube algorithm. So here we go. Let's open this up. And it looks like the first thing you actually see there is the iPhone 12 itself. Let's set that off to the side real quick here. And it looks like we also get a Lightning to USB-C cable. Taking a look at some of the literature here, it looks like we get a SIM eject tool, as well as just some literature, information about the iPhone, and then you get one single Apple sticker there. So now let's take a look at the actual iPhone 12 here. Again, we got the white 256 gig version. This is actually going to be my wife's. I'm going to hopefully get the Pro Max when that comes out. You can see here this does have the squared off edges, so we're going back to the iPhone 4, iPhone 4S, iPhone 5 type style bodies. Interesting to note here, a bit of a difference compared to some previous iPhone models. You actually have a different type of screen protector on the actual phone here. And you got the volume down, volume up, your mute switch there, and a power button logo. And it looks like on the bottom there, we got the Lightning logo itself. So let's open this thing up. Always so satisfying. So there you can see it without the screen protector on there. You can see on the side here, we actually have a SIM eject tool. And I believe on this side, that is where you actually have the 5G antennas. So while 5G might not be available in your area, if you purchase this thing and you plan to use it for 2, 3, 4, or maybe even 5 years, you might eventually be setting yourself up just to get a future upgrade in the future when 5G does come to your city. Taking a look at my phone here, I have the XS Max here. You can see this has a more rounded edges on here as opposed to these square ones here as well. So here, hopefully this gives you just a better idea of the actual kind of screen dimensions on this. You can see there's a little more black edges here as opposed to over here. So it kind of fills in the screen a bit more by having that squared off design. In addition to that, if you're coming from an iPhone 10 or something like that, you will actually get a slightly bigger screen, 6.1 inch screen here. Let's go ahead and set this off to the side and actually open up the new iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro silicone case from Apple. We went with the green model here. So this is actually the MagSafe case version, and I don't know, I'm butchering this. Here we go. This is actually the MagSafe case from Apple. We do not have MagSafe right now, but we kind of wanted to future-proof ourselves in case we ever got MagSafe in the future, any chargers like that. So you can see here, it looks like they have a sort of a small instruction there in case you don't know how to install a case, I guess. And then just some plastic protecting it here. And then you get that, oh, that is a nice screen. Very nice screen with a large kind of cutout there to work for both the iPhone 12 as well as the iPhone 12 Pro. And just a very nice silicone feel overall. Here you can see the actual magnet for the MagSafe connection there. On the sides here we have a slightly darker green color, it looks like, for the actual buttons, as well as the logo there. And then the bottom looks to be open for the microphone, the Lightning connector, and the speaker as well. So let's see if we can install this thing on the iPhone and see how it looks with the white model. Oh, it looks like we just installed it there. We got an animation that we did install the green case. And you can see it looks pretty nice with the green case. I'm actually liking that with the white model. Now, if you're watching this video kind of debating whether or not you should get the 12 versus the 12 Pro, the big thing you should consider is how many photos and videos you're actually going to end up taking. Really, the biggest difference between the 12 and the Pro is that the Pro comes with a telephoto lens. It has Dolby Vision HDR recording up to 60 frames per second, and then it has a 4x optical zoom lens. In addition to that, you get 4 GB of RAM with the 12 here and 6 GB on the Pro. Both have MagSafe, both have the new strong glass, they both have a A14 processor inside of it. In fact, if you want a comparison between the 12 and the 12 Pro, if I get the 12 Pro Max, I'll be sure to do a comparison between this phone and that one, as well as a review on both of these phones too. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. Other than that, that'll do it for this video, guys. Just a quick unboxing video of the new iPhone 12 as well as the new MagSafe case from Apple. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. And let me know in the comments down below if you're getting one of these phones and which one you're getting. I read all the comments and pretty much reply to all of them, so let me know. Other than that, thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day.